There are a number of online citation makers available. I'm only using Bibme because I'm more familiar with it. It's pretty easy to use. I just want to create a citation, so I'm going to click the button here. I've got a citation style in mind, APA. And the particular example I'm going to be using is a website. So I'm selecting here, it's the default. And I need to paste the website URL. Where'd you go? Which is right here. So click this and Bibme goes to work, verifies that this is a website. I'm going to select it. Tells me what data it's managed to find off the net. It's telling me I still need to complete this information here. So let's move on to that. Article title. Well, it's on Google Slides. The author is actually Google. Electronically published, I don't know when. When did I access it? Today, March the 18th. Now I'm in a position to create the citation. And there it is, hidden underneath this. There's my citation. I can copy using this button up here. And then I can go to my slide and I can paste it. There it is. I can then do whatever I want with it, going into text formatting within the text box. I can even move that around. So it's possible to go back to Bibme and put in more than one entry and then copy the multiple entries and then pasting them back into the appropriate section of the Google Slides. That's it.